Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to delete a YouTube video right on the mobile app on your YouTube app. I'll just show you the regular iOS YouTube app here and how to delete a video from there. And at the end of the video, I want to show you a better way using YouTube Studio to do it. And I'll show you another app called TubeBuddy if you really want to take your YouTube game to the next level. So let's jump into the regular YouTube app here. And on the home page, right on the top right, you should see your icon for your channel. Go ahead and press that and it will take you to this page. Here you want to click my channel, and here once you get to your channel you want to go to videos. Once you get to videos, it's going to show you all your videos, the published one and the private ones like the one on top here. Go ahead and scroll down to the video you want to delete. In this case it's the top one. Press the three dots here and then you should have a delete option right here. If you press that, it's going to ask you, do you want to delete that upload? And you press yes, and it will disappear. Now, that's one way to do it using the YouTube app. The YouTube Studio, the other app that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you go to the App Store, it's called YouTube Studio. Go ahead and download that and open it and sign into your YouTube account with it. And here you will have a lot more access. You could respond to people's comments here. Let's say if I wanted to delete the video here, I'm going to go ahead and tap that video that I want to delete. And here, not only can I delete it, I could edit it, I could do a lot more. But if I wanted to delete it, all I would have to do is press that edit option right on the top right here. It will take me to this page where I could change my title, description, my privacy, and if I go to the settings option on the top right, it will have the option delete from YouTube. If I press that, it will let me delete it from YouTube. And right now it says processing, please wait, and in a few seconds it will be deleted from YouTube. So if you're using YouTube a lot and the YouTube app is not giving you the option, the YouTube Studio is a great way for creators to change their videos around right on their mobile device. And the last one I wanted to show you is called TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is a great app to basically show your rankings, see your subscriber counts, respond to comments quickly, even see a ranking. So when you hit milestones, so 15,000 subscribers or 3.5 million views that I just recently hit, it will give you these trophies. It's a great way to keep you motivated. And the desktop app has a great number of features like Tag Explorer, canned responses, and a lot more that's helped me get to this point on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description to this app if you really want to take your YouTube game to the next level. I hope this was easy enough to delete a YouTube video. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.